is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Funnelheads. Today we're going to be going over everything free for Carnival Cruise Line's XL class ships. Now, of course, this does include the Carnival Mardi Gras, but will also include the Carnival Celebration that comes out at the end of this year, and the Carnival Jubilee, which comes out next year in 2023. We don't have all the details for those brand new ships just yet, but again, this video will cover a lot of the free items. Now, I did do a lot of research on this video as well as personal experience, since me and my family have been on the Mardi Gras 3 times since it's come out. So we feel like we have a good, feel for the ship, but if we missed anything at all that you can think of, put it in the comment section below, so not only, do we know, but we can also help, other guests or other people that are looking to book these specific cruises. But if you will, please hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button to join the Funnelhead family. We'd absolutely love to have you, and we really do appreciate it. It will just help grow the community, so that way we can make more and more videos and better videos as the future unfolds. But let's get right into today's video. Now, the first free category we're going to go over is the food, and one thing to note is that you can ask for seconds or thirds, especially at the main dining room or specialty dining rooms. If there's a plate that you come across that you absolutely love, just ask the waiter for more. Also, at the buffets, pizza, big chicken, anything like that, you can take as much as you want. Of course, you don't want to waste food, but if you're still hungry or if there's something you want to try, maybe like frog legs for the first time, definitely go for it. Now, the free food is as follows. You have your main dining room for your early seating, late seating, or your time dinner. The Lido buffet that includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The omelet station, which you can create your own omelet with different ingredients, as well as eggs any way, including egg whites. You have the Blue Iguana Cantina for lunch or breakfast. You can make your own burritos, and for lunch you can actually do tacos and taco salad as well. Deli, you have 8 to 12 different sandwiches to choose from, some hot, some cold, and you can also create a sandwich. You also have the pizza place that has 6 to 8 different pizzas to choose from, but usually has cheese and pepperoni ready to go. The famous Guy's Burger, which has 6 to 8 different styles of hamburgers, as well as your traditional cheese or no cheese. Ice cream and yogurt stations, which include strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and swirl. Now, your brunch in the main dining room, which is very different from the breakfast buffet. This is more of a sit-down restaurant style, but my absolute favorite that I have to get at least once a cruise is the filet mignon, medium rare, with over easy eggs and fries. It is absolutely amazing. Definitely a heavy meal, though. Now, on the Lido deck, you have street eats, which is kind of like a food truck setup. They have fries and other different finger foods to choose from if you just want to grab a snack on the go or something new to try. My absolute favorite, which is Big Chicken. You can get breakfast or lunch there, but this is definitely one of my favorite places to eat. And they have 4 different chicken sandwiches to choose from for lunch, 2 for breakfast, and they are all delicious. Some of them are a little spicy, and they have, in my opinion, some of the best fries on the ship. Now, also for breakfast, you can go to the Java Blue Cafe, which they have breakfast sandwiches, pastries, muffins, and much more. Now, in Serenity, they have Fresh Creations, which is a make-your-own salad. For breakfast, you can also eat at Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, as well as Cucina. Now, you can also do room service. However, there are select items on the menu that do come with an additional cost. Plus, typically, you will tip, the person providing the room service. Now, back on the Lido deck, you have shawarma, as well as hot dog station. Now, if you happen to stay in a Family Harbor cabin, you can have access to the Family Harbor Lounge, which does include snacks and small finger foods as well. Now, the biggest perk for free food on the Carnival Mardi Gras, in our opinion, besides Big Chicken, is the specialty restaurants, specifically for dinner. Now, just because they're free on the Mardi Gras currently doesn't mean that they will be free in the future, and they may not be free on the Celebration and Jubilee when they come out, but right now you can eat at Chibang, which is a Mexican-Chinese fusion specialty restaurant, Cucina del Capitano, which of course is the Italian restaurant, and Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse specialty restaurant, all for free currently. So if you're going on the Carnival Mardi Gras in the near future, definitely try these restaurants out. They are all very, very good. And if you can't make up your mind, like me and Michelle, we can never make up our mind for dinner, there is an option in the Carnival Hub app for first available table, which is absolutely amazing. It's basically spans your time dining, Chibang, and Cucina del Capitano, and whatever table is available first at any of those three venues is where you're going to be seated, which really helps me and Michelle out because there's no, talking back and forth on, what we want for dinner. It really just takes that decision out of the factor, which is absolutely great for us. The next free category is the drink section. Now, this is the only category where I feel like Carnival is lacking in a little bit. So I highly recommend that if you drink soda, that you look into the Bottomless Bubbles package, as well as the Cheers package if you want alcoholic drinks, whether it's beer, wine, champagne, mixed drinks, anything like that. I did videos on both of those. If you want, all the information about it, I'll link those videos in the description box. But let's go over which drinks are included for free. You have your fountain water, your breakfast juice, which is apple and orange juice. They also have fruit punch and mango guava. However, on the cruises in this last year, I haven't seen either one of those. Let me know in the comment section below if you have come across those two, or maybe they either had a shortage issue or they're just going away in general. You also have iced tea, but for my southern friends, this is not sweet tea. It is unsweet tea that comes out of the fountain. Of course, they do have sugar and lemon, so you can make it sweet tea if you want. You have lemonade, milk, chocolate milk, decaf, and regular coffee, hot chocolate milk, and then, of course, hot water for tea bags, which they have a variety of tea bags. Let's discuss the free entertainment on board, starting off with the comedy club, whether it's the early family stand-up show or the adult late night show. These comedians also rotate from ship to ship, so you have new material usually every day. The piano bar, which is absolutely one of our favorite late night spots, so relaxing, so funny, especially if you have a really great piano player. The Dive In, which is on the Lido deck, the movie Under the Stars. They have amazing newer movies typically playing, and it can be a really relaxing evening. You have your main theater shows, with whether it's a playlist production, Family Feud, or more. You have the Grand Central stage, which is basically the hub of the ship. Has music, game shows, singing, dancing, and so much more. Ropes course, trivia, karaoke, live music all around the ship, whether it's at Brass Magnolia, Fortune Teller's Bar, Lido Deck, or the Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse. Pools, hot tubs, your water slides, which are absolutely awesome on this ship. My favorite one is the orange slide. It's basically a slide where you hop into this capsule. The employee pushes a button, and in 3 seconds, the floor below you opens up, and you just pretty much nosedive down. It is a really great experience. Definitely try them out. The Waterworks area, which is basically the splash area. Mini golf, basketball, ping pong, pool, soccer, foosball, shuffleboard, beanbag, the Lido deck parties, which are different from ship to ship and cruise deck director to cruise director, but some of these shows that you would see are the White Night, 80s Rock and Glow, Mega Deck Party, and the Tiki Fest. The Limelight Lounge is where you'll have your club at night, which you should never catch me or Michelle in. If you ever see us in the club late at night taking shots, there's something wrong. Please kick us out and make us go to bed. You also have the morning show in the mornings with the cruise director and guests. If you have a great cruise director, this can be very, very funny. Usually the entertainment director is involved as well. Our favorite thing on the last sea day is the Groove for St. Jude. Such an amazing program to raise money for kids. Definitely, if there's one thing to go to on the cruise, that is it. You also have your deck games with the Fun Squad throughout the week, as well as ice carving. On the first day, you have your sail away party with the cruise director and Fun Squad. And last but not least is the Military Appreciation Gathering, which is another one I highly recommend you checking out. Now the last category we're going to go over is the More column. Now these are all included in your cruise fare, but the first one is going to be the ports of call. Of course, the cruise ship getting to the port of call is free, but what you decide to do at that port may cost additional money. Now there are several destinations, that you travel to that you could technically do something for free for the day, whether it's just walk around or go to the beach that's located not far away from the cruise port. However, most likely you are going to do some type of shore excursion, get a taxi, or rent maybe a Jeep or van for the day. So just keep that in mind. Do a little bit of research on each port of call where you're going. Now, housekeeping, of course, is included. You will pay prepaid gratuities, for their services, but they do come once a day, either in the morning or at night. I would, in my opinion, choose the turn down service for night. There's nothing better than coming back from a fun but tiring day on the ship or on the islands and have a clean room with your bed turned down. It's the best feeling in the world, in my opinion. Of course, the fitness center or the gym is free. Now there are several different classes and things like that do come at extra costs, like the spin class, for example, but just using the gym is absolutely free. Now this is definitely by far one of our favorite things, and that is daycare, which is absolutely free during the day. You have the Camp Ocean, Circle C, and Club O2. I did videos on each and every one of these. I'll link those videos in the description as well if you want to learn more about it. But I don't know another area or place that includes free daycare, so absolutely take advantage of this if you have children, even if it's just for a couple of hours during the day to get a little bit of a break. They do have what's called night owls at night if you want to get like a late dinner or want to see a late show. This is after 10 o'clock and runs till 1 a.m. It is a small charge to use night owls, and you usually have to reserve this, but it is very inexpensive. From what I can remember, it's about $6 per hour plus an 18% gratuity, but that is very, very inexpensive for daycare, especially during night hours. So we usually do that once or twice a week as well, just to, like I said, see maybe an adult late night show or something like that. So check that out. And the last thing is the deck of cards you actually can get from guest services, which we typically do every cruise. If there's a rainy day, on one of the days we go down and get a free deck of cards and play with them. They're also a great souvenir as well. If it doesn't rain on your cruise or you don't play cards, maybe just pick up a deck and give it to somebody as a souvenir or whatnot. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is nearly everything free on the Carnival Mardi Gras and the XL class ships. However, if there's something that you think of that I might have forgot, please put it in the comment section below so that way everybody else can see. Also, if you like these videos and you appreciate the time and effort that we put into making these videos, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content. We really do appreciate it. Hopefully we'll see you right back here in the next video or on a cruise ship one day. Catch you later.